welcome back to the channel. This episode is of Challenge Chaos, and we are doing the egg roulette challenge. Ooh, shadows, yay. Anyways, so in here there are 6 that are hard boiled and the rest of them are raw. They're going to take turns picking an egg and cracking it on their heads. So, who wants to go first?
Me!
Okay, let's see. Michael, pick one. Crack it on your head, baby.
Hard.
Harder.
Oh, harder.
Do you need help? Oh, let it fall on your head. Okay, Sarita's next.
Boiled egg. See the blue?
Sarita, sit down.
What do I have to do?
Crack it on your head.
Hit it hard.
On your head, not the bun.
Yeah.
The side of it, look.
What did I get?
Got it wrong. Wait, Travis. I know it's your turn and I know you're excited.
She got a rotten egg. She got a rotten egg.
It's not rotten, it's just raw.
I hope Travis gets rotten.
On the side of it.
Huh? This side?
Yeah, hit it on the side. But hit it hard.
Nice.
Oh.
Then.
And now it's Michael's turn. Oh, hold on. Let's get this before it falls in your eye.
Egg boil. Egg boil.
Dude. Alright then.
Yo.
You.
Okay, sit down.
Okay, can I go next?
Yeah, we're gonna go in order.
We're good. Yeah.
Hit it hard, Michael.
It's good to be last.
Hit it hard. Smash it. Smash it. Ah.
Ugly keeps getting big ones and we get small ones.
You guys are gonna get all the raw ones before you find the
Hard
hard boiled ones.
Where's the high boil?
I don't know.
Oh, you gotta just choose.
Oh.
Oh.
Hit it hard.
Hit it.
On your head. Do you need help? Do you want help?
I'm not gonna do mine.
Oh, she found a hard boiled egg.
Alright.
Come on, focus. There you go.
They're gonna get washed up with the paint.
Such weight.
Michael, Travis' turn.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, Travis.
It's okay. Yay! This
Hit it
one.
hard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the sides. Not the point.
On top of your head, though. Hit it hard.
Hard.
Let's see. Let me see, Travis.
Okay, like don't beat yourself to death. Oh.
I completely missed that because I was trying to do
My Dad, please team. My turn.
No.
Michael still has shell in his head. Oh.
Oh, which one was it?
That one.
What is
Yeah,
it? Pick it up. Is it a
Crack
hard?
it on your head. Crack it on your head.
I think it's hard boiled too. Crack it, baby.
No, not yet.
Oh, not on your head. Let's see. Let's just crack it this way and see. Yep. Look, you got a hard boiled one.
Yeah, Michael, you get to eat it.
No, it's all full of dirt. Okay, just put it on the ground, baby.
Put it on the ground.
Ew, you scared the bee away.
You guys go back into your seats.
Michael.
Sarita, sit down, baby. Did you get another hard boiled one?
I think so.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, put it on the ground. Travis' turn.
I got 2. This side.
Yes. And hit it on the top. Just hit it on top of your head. On top of your head, dude. Hard. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's hard boiled, dude.
There we go.
My turn.
Just right
Michael's
there.
turn.
Travis. Right there with the rest of them.
Hit it hard, baby. Do you need help?
No.
Well, hit it hard so you can crack it.
I'm full of egg. Oh.
Oh, yeah, Michael's is hard boiled.
Well, Michael's hard boiled. So Michael's gotten 2.
I got 2.
Sarita's gotten 2, and Travis has gotten 1. So there's only one more.
Only one more.
Okay. You guys go back to your chairs, please.
Sit back down, please.
Now see the time that is my turn. And
Just crack it.
No, mine.
Crack it on your head. Put it on your head and smash it. So that was raw, baby.
Got it.
Okay.
Whatever
Sit down.
it's called.
Travis eyelashes are so long.
Is that-
Just like
Yeah. Hard.
hard.
Oh, everybody got 2. So that means all 3 of these ones are raw.
Woohoo.
Okay, wait, listen. Everybody get one and sit down on your chair.
Okay.
And when you do it, look. When you hit it, just bash it in. Wait
Okay.
until Cole says. Wait until Cole says.
I want to see if I can get all three of you in the shot. Ready? Everybody crack their eggs on their head. 1, 2, 3, go. Hit it hard. Sarita on your head.
Wait.
Let me see.
Do it too.
Let me see.
Okay, Travis. All right.
Like this, look. Ready?
I just did it. It's like I got a burp. I mean, chicken poop all over.
Okay, so guys, sit down for a minute. Can you tell them thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
If you like the
Comment
video,
down
give it
below.
a... Wait, listen.
If you like
Hey, listen. If you like this video, give it a...
Thumbs up.
Comment down below what kind of challenges you want us to do. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.